Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on Monday, April 27th, 2020. Today, we're going to look at what I traded, which were 4 different stocks, and I got a little too crazy on one of them. Ended up in a green day, but could be better. I am going against a lot of my rules, so I'm glad I'm just getting this out of the way. I think I was just kind of having a little bit of FOMO for sure. I'll show you why in a second. So the market's kind of gapped up pretty good today and then ran pretty well into the close and then actually turned around a little bit at the end. But for the most part, we were on an up day. Looking at some gap plays, one of my first trades was, actually this wasn't my first trade. I think my first trade was my best trade, which was TSLA. I was actually looking at this, but then I heard in the room an 850 call. Got in on this, and I had really no pain going up. I sold as I was climbing, and I kept a couple shares. Actually had shares at this price today. My goal was, I don't care if I had 1 share or 100 shares, was to have it at the high, no matter what. Turns out it came back down, and then eventually I stopped out around 9 here, just under 9 on this candle here. It was probably the trade of the day. I, didn't go too heavy. I think I had 300 shares. Gave me $106, and that's where I was at the beginning. It's a good way to start. Not a walk away kind of day trade. 1,000 shares maybe, because it did move a point in my favor, if not more, and it would have had a bigger gain. That's what you have to get to. But then I got kind of a little crazy, and I got the FOMO on Tesla. Meanwhile, when TSLA was going off, Tesla was going off. Broke on a point in here. These are 5-minute candles, and it just didn't look back from the 40 level to the 99 level. I was trading this with 30 shares today, and I traded it probably 10 to 12 times too many. Meaning I traded way too many times. Actually, I shouldn't have traded it at all. I missed the trade. I need to get away from it. I did play a break of this level here on this candle, and it pulled back on me. So then, I was taking some losses, and I took some losses. And I took a break of this one, kind of end up the day. At one point, I think I was down $160 on Tesla. I was never green on Tesla today. I just missed it. Think about it, the 40 entry, even if it was a 42 entry to 99, I'm obviously not going to carry it up to here probably, but if it was going so fast, you weren't going to lose out until these few couple candles here, maybe this candle here at 70 or 80. That's 40 points for 30 shares. That's pretty good. I don't know what to tell you. I'm just kind of a little frustrated on the day because I missed this one, and then FOMO set in, and I kind of was just attacking Tesla. I took some winners. Actually, I sold a bunch of times when I needed to, and I didn't get beat up too much when it went against me, but just kept building and building and building. So for now on, I'm looking for that 1 or 2 trades on Tesla that sets up, and I'm not going to worry about the bull crap in between. A choppy day on Tesla is not where you want to be, even in small share size. So the other trade I did was good old fake meat, Beyond Meat. These are 5-minute candles. I was looking at this complete debacle, breaking through all these moving averages. It just sold off, and I took the bounce off the 200 and got a nice bounce for $25. 100 shares, so I got 25 cents. Probably could have gotten a little bit more if you think about it, from 101.62 to 103.61. It's 2 points. So I got out quick on this one just for the bounce play, and then obviously it went down and then kept going down throughout the rest of the day. Car was something I was looking at, and I was told it's not bad. It had some bad tapes or sellers on the tape. I took the break of the 160 here. It never actually did much for a little bit, so I just sold out, and I actually got to 681. It was 66, so really 14 cents. Boring trader, not really exciting. The one I'm really pissed about is OSTK. I got in a couple times, the fifth break of the 50 level here, and it kind of came down against me a couple times, and so 2 different trades in there went against me. I just walked away with a $50 loss. So overall, green day, I believe it was like a $34 day. Not great, but good news is I finished setting my computer. It's an Alienware dual NVIDIA 1080 Ti GTX video cards, probably unnecessary. Right now it only has 32 gigs of RAM, 2 terabyte hard drive, SSD, and it's pretty powerful, much more powerful than my other computer. I also loaded up TradeStation. That should be opening up probably end of the week or early next week. I should be trading on that, so things are going to get interesting. I only had a few minutes of pain with the platform today on Thinkorswim, but it's time. I'm ready for the change, so I'll keep you posted on that. So that pretty much covers up the day. Glad I'm in the green on a Monday. Should have been a lot better, but what are you going to do? Just move forward and look for better setups and stick to your rules. I think the one thing I need to do is read my rules today. I need to read them today. I forgot. I just kind of got behind, and I got a busy day tomorrow. So we'll continue this, and I'll be back. Have a good one, and we'll be back on Tuesday. This is Rich with some price action.